how to remove a charge off of your credit reports, or at a minimum have it marked paid for less. Think about it this way. If a debt collection company buys your charged off account from the original creditor, in essence, what they've done is they have taken a payment from a debt collection company for less than the face value of what was owed. Yes, the account was charged off. Now, let me prove my point. If you were to go to your original creditor before they sold that debt and you arranged a payoff, it would still show that it was charged off, and it would show that it was paid for less. It does not distinguish that you paid it for less. It just says that the debt was paid for less. So you have that same right. If a debt collector buys your debt and pays the original creditor, it needs to be marked paid for less at minimum.